The Witch's Curse, a play by Joe March.
Make it sweet and swift and strong.
That when I come back to them,
Answer now my song.
I may be fonder and prouder than ever of my little women.
Hello, Wonderstruck. Welcome back to my little corner of the world, where the air is crisp, the leaves are falling, and the warmth of home wraps around us like a comforting embrace. As the days grow shorter and the evenings cooler, there is a certain magic that fills the air, a sense of slowing down, of savoring the simple joys that autumn brings. Today, we are going to indulge in the magic together. We will be shopping for those special fall treasures that transform our spaces into cozy sanctuaries, creating DIY crafts inspired by the charming and whimsical designs of Anthropologie, and preparing our homes for the season ahead. So grab your favorite sweater and let's welcome fall with open arms and a heart full of gratitude. There is something delightful about fall shopping, finding those perfect pieces that bring the warmth and beauty of the season into our homes. Today we are on the hunt for a few key items that will set the tone for autumn. We will be picking up a few treasures that speak to the heart of slow living, pieces that invite us to pause, reflect, and savor the season.
Nothing is forever, you're so keen on telling me. Everybody's worried, saying that I'm in too deep. Keep it all together, move on to bigger things. Chasing all the highs, 'cause I'm not giving up my dream. No, I'm not giving up my dream. Although you don't believe in me,
This year, Michael's seems to have gone retro with colorful, vibrant tones. A little bit of a 70s vibe here. Now that we have found our fall treasures, it's time to get creative. I'm so excited to share a few DIY projects inspired by the enchanting designs of Anthropologie. So I really wanted to get some hand-painted candles and these gorgeous plates at Anthropologie, but the store that I went to did not have them out yet. They were still pulling out their fall items. So it occurred to me that this should probably be a DIY craft because I could probably save a lot on these items and it would be such a great cozy craft to do while I watch my favorite fall movies. These crafts are not only beautiful, but also a wonderful way to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of making something with your hands. We will start by painting candles with delicate botanical designs, perfect for adding a touch of nature to your decor. So I'm going to go ahead and take my spin on this by doing some pressed flowers and leaves on these candles, which is actually inspired by these candles I saw on Mint. And I'm also going to paint the ghosts on these black candles that were inspired by the Anthropologie candles.
Will you dance with Joe?
You know I never dance.
The King girls have
Why
flowers.
can't we all go to the party? It's not
Just
fair.
wear your regular shoes. This fit last winter.
My nose will simply not look refined.
I like your nose.
Now, Joe.
Don't touch me, thanks. I already feel ridiculous. I don't want to look
You
at
could be...
You are a pompous blowhard. Shakespeare wrote for the
Shakespeare
masses.
was the greatest poet who ever lived because he smuggled his poetry in popular works.
Well, I'm no Shakespeare.
Thank goodness we already have him.
If you know so much about
Locked up with his tutor. He's a very kind man who lost his little girl when she was only a child.
creating a set of personalized candles with pressed flowers capturing the essence of fall blooms in a unique and heartfelt way is just perfect.
They will be loving children to you, do their duty faithfully, fight their enemies bravely, and conquer themselves so beautifully.
The Witch's Curse, a play by Joe March.
Make it sweet and swift and strong.
That when I come back to them,
Answer now my song.
I may be fonder and prouder than ever of my little women.
These DIYs are all about embracing the beauty of imperfection and finding joy in the process. I'm creating personalized candles with pressed flowers capturing the essence of fall blooms in a unique and heartfelt way. Now it's time to bring everything together and prepare our home for fall. As I arrange these new treasures, I'm reminded of the importance of creating space that nurture and comfort us. The glow of a candle, the softness of a throw, the scent of cinnamon in the air, these little details make all the difference.
She's resting. Well, how is she? Is there anything I can do? What is it, Scarlet?
This ring will belong to you.
Really?
If you keep being a proper young lady, just see if it doesn't. It'll be up to you to support them all. And your indigent parents in their old age. So you must marry well. Save your family. So you can go back and do your...
We can't stop God's will.
Well, God hasn't met my will yet. What Joe wills shall be done.
Please fight.
I can be angry with you in person.
As we settle into the rhythm of the season, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our surroundings and the warmth of our homes. This is what slow living is all about, finding peace in the present moment, embracing the cozy comforts of fall, and creating a space that reflects the calm and contentment we all seek. Thank you for joining me today on this journey into the heart of fall. I hope you found inspiration in our shopping, crafting, and home preparations, and that you feel ready to embrace the season with a sense of calm and joy. Remember, the beauty of slow living is in the little things, the quiet moments, the thoughtful details, and the simple pleasures that make life so rich and fulfilling. Until next time, take care, stay cozy, and savor every moment of this wonderful season. Happy fall, everyone, and be well, Wonderstruck.